What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On this video we are going to be spray painting our brake calipers. We've sprayed these a while ago and we really sanded everything down to bare metal. We prepped it, we primed it, we painted it, we clear coated it, and after about a year or so of Midwest weather, I mean, it just looks terrible now. It's rusting again, and this doesn't look good at all. And the fact is, we're installing new brakes that are going to be cross-drilled and slotted, and we are not going to be able to run a rusty brake caliper with such a brake. So since I am going to be removing the rotor and the pads, we are going to just paint this once everything is removed to make things a lot easier, and we'll go from there. There we go. At this point in time, we're just going to sand off all the surface rust so we can get a nice adhesion when we spray the base coat. So I got the caliper baking in the sun right now. Looks much better than before. We pretty much got rid of all that rust that you were visibly seeing before. Check out the difference between the new rotors versus the old equipment here. Much nicer, much cleaner. So as soon as the brake calipers dry, we'll toss everything back on. We'll be good to go. And guys, if you're wondering what kind of paint I am using, this can is a 99-cent can off of Walmart. It's a single stage enamel paint. So I've noticed whether I use better paint or worse paint, it's still, after a year or so, it's looking like crap. So at this point, I decided just touch it up once a year and we'll be good to go. Even the last time I sprayed a nice primer, I sprayed high heat temperature paint, I put a clear coat over it, and it was still chipping, as you guys saw earlier in this video. So to me, save on the paint and just do it more frequently pays off. Alright guys, it's been a long day, but we got everything reinstalled, everything's re-greased perfectly, and these things are shining. They look fan-freaking-tastic.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true.